What's up, everybody? Survive and protect. And here's another security tip in regards to if you're sitting down in your vehicle waiting for another passenger, whether or not you're at a store parking lot, a dentist, restaurant, and maybe a person you had with you went into that store, that dental facility or restaurant, and you're just going to sit out and wait. Here's a tip for you. All right. As you see here, this side here and this side here, the windows are closed. All windows are closed. But it's most cars today, when you close your windows, it pretty much blocks out all the sound from the outside. So you really can't hear or tell if anybody's going to be sneaking up on you. All right. So real quick, real simple solution is to crack your windows. All right. See that? Got that window cracked. Got that window cracked. There's well, the cat disappeared over there. There was a cat over there. But that's a side note. But anyway, crack your windows so when you're sitting down and your car is turned off, you can hear a lot of what's going on. Even if you're not going to be doing too much looking around per se, you can at least be focused on listening. All right, you'll definitely be able to tell if something is out of the way other than the normal goings on in the parking lot. You can definitely hear if something's not quite right. All right, so just wanted to give y'all that little tip, man, real quick. A lot of times I do the same thing. I'll roll the windows down, and in the one of the other videos I told you about adjusting your side view mirrors as well. So in combination to adjusting your side view mirrors to where you can see if somebody's sneaking up on you, right? You can also crack your windows a little bit. So not only will you be able to see what's going on if somebody's sneaking up on you, you can also hear, right? Because you got your window open. All right. So I thought I'd hit you up with that security tip, and I hope it works out for you, and hopefully nothing happens to you. All right. Survive and protect. Peace. I'm out.